How to shape lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo Dracaena is easy to grow. Many people find it a nice addition to any indoor room, and some believe it generates a positive energy chi in the room it's in. This plant does well with partial sunlight and merely requires fresh water. Lucky bamboo naturally grows straight but is often shaped into curves or spirals. Things you will need: 3-sided box, pruning shears, paraffin. Cut the bottom and one side out of a box that is slightly bigger than your lucky bamboo. Place the 3-sided box around the plant so that one side is open. This open side should be facing a light source, either a window or a grow lamp. Keep the box and plant there until you notice the plant leaning towards the light source. The plant will naturally lean in toward the light to get as much as it can. Rotate the plant slightly and keep it there until you see the plant starting to again curve toward the light source. Keep rotating the plant every once in a while, always turning the same direction if you wish for the plant to spiral. Water your plant normally, keeping about an inch of water in the pot that it's in. Keep an eye on the plant as it shifts in response to the light. It won't spiral overnight, it will take a while, but the plant will eventually grow spiraled if you keep rotating it every time it bends towards the light. Maintain the shape by pruning here and there so it doesn't become too top-heavy. Dip a snipped end in paraffin so that it doesn't grow back with even more leaves.